Okay, so before starting the video, let me tell you something. 2021 was really great. I mean, you guys really watched my video, supported this channel, supported my content, and you guys helped me a lot. And it's already 2022, so Happy New Year. Wish you guys a very healthy and productive year ahead. Okay, so this is the first video of 2022. In this video, I'm going to show you a new product that I've been testing for about 2.5 months now. So I'm talking about this pen tab. This is from a company named Huion, and this is from their Inspiro lineup. And to be specific, this is the H640P model. In the box, we have the tab itself with a battery-free pen, a pen holder, USB cable to connect it, few converters to use it with your smartphone, USB-C or micro USB, and some documentations. Okay, so the pen is battery free, and that's a huge plus point. You don't have to think about replacing the battery or charging the pen or anything else. Also, the pen has 2 buttons on it, which you can configure it from their Huion software. Also, the pen is really good to hold on for longer periods, and the two-tone finish on the pen looks really awesome. Also, the pen holder has some tricks under its sleeve. I mean, literally, like in the bottom side, you have a small hole which you can use for removing the tip from the pen. And if you need to change the tip for any reason, just open up the holder like this, and you have a whole set of pen tips in it. Also, if you are enjoying the video, a sub to the channel would be really fantastic. And now, let's talk about the tab itself. First thing is, it's wired. So it's not as portable as other wireless tabs. Also, it has its own benefits as well. Like, you don't have to worry about pairing it or charging it or anything like that. So it's basically just plug and play. Now let's talk about specs. So it has a 6.3 by 3.9 inch active working space with 8192 levels of pen pressure sensitivity. 6 fully customizable buttons. Also, the paper-like texture is really good to work on. So I have been using it for about 2.5 months now, and it's not like I use it every day. I'm not an artist or graphics designer or anything like that. I use it for retouching, mainly for screen retouching or while teaching someone online. It obviously takes some practice to get used to it, but once you get the flow, it's just like writing on a paper. Also, it helps while signing some docs here and there. As I've said earlier, I don't use it much, but there are few things that you just can't do it with your mouse. Like when editing, pen pressure is just a magical thing to have. Like if you take a brush and try to write your name with your mouse, it's just straight garbage. But with a tab, it's fluent. Not as good as pen on a paper, but the experience is really close. Also, in Photoshop, you can do a whole lot with the pen pressure. So that really comes in handy while editing. So after using it for some time, I can definitely recommend it to anyone who wants to buy a pen tab without breaking the bank. And for its price, it's really value for money. Also, if you want to buy one, I will leave a link in the description. You can buy it from there, and that will be really helpful to the channel. So that's all for today's video. See you guys in the next one, and if you have any question or suggestion, please let me know in the comment section down below. Also, you guys can follow me on Instagram to watch more of my works. See you guys in the next one. Till then, ta-ra.